Hi all, I'm Neld Solomon. Foreigner think it's freedom until the Earth visit. I refuse to ride motorbikes with foreign men. No helmets, no rules, no mercy. One ride changes everything. The hospital is part of the journey. If you are a foreigner and you came to the Philippines seeking adventure, trails, and a hospital bracelet on your wrist, then congratulations. Buy a motorbike because here the motorbike is not transportation. It is a test of faith. Why foreigners fall in love with motorbikes? Cheap, fast, freedom, no traffic stress. I rode bikes back home. Locals do it, so it must be safe. Foreigners see a motorbike and think, this will simplify my life. The Philippines sees a motorbike and thinks, let's see how strong your bones are. The illusion of control. No lane discipline, no predictable traffic behavior, jeepneys stopping anywhere, tricycles U-turning without warning, dogs, kids, potholes, oil slicks, sudden rain. You are not riding your motorbike, you are riding everyone else's decisions. True stories what I have seen. Foreigners with broken collarbones, slings, road rash, limping permanently, helmets hanging on, handlebars not heads, flip-flops, shorts, tank tops. I don't need statistics. I live here. I see them in pharmacies, hospitals, orthopedic clinics, and immigration lines, injured and angry. The hospital reality foreigners don't expect. Private hospital versus public hospital. Upfront cash. No insurance coverage. Pay first, treat later. Language barriers, foreign panic. The ride was cheap, the surgery was not. Why Filipinos get blamed? Foreigner crosses, family blames, Filipino girlfriend, Filipino wife, she distracted him, she wanted a motorbike. Gravity does not speak Tagalog. Asphalt does not care who you love. Masculinity, ego and I can handle it attitude. Men don't cross because they are bad riders. They cross because they believe they are in control. Overconfidence, age and slower reflexes, heat exhaustion, alcohol. I have done this before mindset. The Philippine traffic rule you must know. In the Philippines, the bigger vehicle wins. And the smaller one loses with their body. No right-of-way culture. Defensive driving doesn't always save you. Foreign logic versus local reality. Why I tell foreign men don't do it. I don't warn you because I hate motorbikes. I warn you because I don't want to visit you in the hospital. Safer alternatives, Grab, taxi, car with driver, even tricycle is safer in some areas. Who should never ride a motorbike here? Over 45 and stubborn first-time riders. Adventure tourist, anyone with health issues, anyone without full medical insurance. If your retirement plan includes comfort, the motorbike is not your friend. My final warning, adventure is optional, hospitalization is not. The Philippines is beautiful, but it does not forgive mistakes. If you value your freedom, your health, and your future, let someone else drive. See you next episode. I'm Nal Solomon.